National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Maricopa County in south central Arizona. This includes Wickenburg until 7:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 4:31 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected very heavy rain in the Wickenburg area that will cause flash flooding. This will cause normally dry washes to begin running as well as flooding on roadways and low-lying areas. Washes prone to flooding include Martinez Wash, Blue Tank Wash, Souls Wash, Hartman Wash. If you are near the bank of the Washoe Creek in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Most flood deaths occur in motorized vehicles. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, KC.